Welcome back to another video of Barbecue with Barry, and today we are making beer can chicken. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video of Barbecue with Barry. Today we're going to be doing a beer can chicken. So we got a whole chicken here we picked up from Sam's Club. We're going to start with patting it dry just with a paper towel. All right, now that we got our chicken patted dry, we can go ahead and start seasoning it. I'm just using Heath Riles Competition Rub for this, but you can use whatever seasoning you like. All right, now that we got our chicken all seasoned up, we can go ahead and crack open a beer. I'm using Coors Light, but you can use whatever beer you want to. You want to have like 1/2 to 3/4 in here, so we'll open it up. Not bad for lukewarm beer. All right, now we're just going to safely use a knife and kind of open the top of this a little bit. Now that we got our beer open, I'm going to go ahead and add in some thyme and some garlic in here just to add some extra aromatics and flavor while we're cooking. All right, now that we got our beer open, got our thyme, some garlic, and some extra seasoning in there, you can see the seasoning is nice and adhered to our chicken. It's kind of got that wet look where pulled the moisture out of there. I like putting this up on a baking sheet and baking rack. All right, we're going to go ahead, place our can on here, grab our chicken. Set our chicken over top of our beer can. Got it nice and propped up, ready to go on the grill. Got the grill preheated to 325 degrees. We're going to probably cook it anywhere from, I'd say, 90 minutes to 2 hours. So an hour and a half to 2 hours, it'll be on the grill until the internal temperature reaches like 160. All right, we got our beer can chicken on the grill. This thing is going to take a little smoke bath for about an hour to an hour and a half. And then we're going to come back and we're going to baste with some butter and then check the temp. Once it reaches 160, we're going to take it off, let it rest, and slice it up. All right, so our chicken has reached an internal temperature of 160, 162 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and start basting it with some butter. This is just butter, some of the rub that we used on the chicken, and some garlic. Another reason why I like using the baking sheet is it's just going to catch everything that drops down here, and it just keeps the grill and smoker a little bit cleaner. All right, so now that we just took our chicken off, we're going to go ahead, let it rest for a little bit. All right, just as a little recap of what we did today, took our chicken out, patted it dry, got some seasoning, used Heath Riles Competition Rub as our seasoning today, took our beer can out, we used Coors Light, threw some thyme, some garlic, and then some other seasoning in there, put it in the chicken, threw it on the cooking sheet with the wire rack, and put it on the grill at 325. We cooked it on there for right around an hour and a half until the internal temperature was about 160 degrees. Then we started basting with butter, basted it with butter, let it sit on there for another 10 minutes until that internal temperature came up a little bit more to 165 degrees. Took it off and let it rest. All right, let's go ahead and dive in and see how we did. Really juicy, really moist. Good flavoring, and you can definitely taste that butter coming through from that basting. I definitely would recommend making this. If you've got a pellet smoker, offset smoker, grill, something like that, throw a beer can in your chicken, throw it on there for an hour and a half, 2 hours, and you will not be disappointed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.